90s के वक्त एसपी साहब के साथ आपके बहुत सारे गाने थे। अब ये एक ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने किसी एक्टर को अपनी आवाज़ लेंड की है एंड मोर देन 12 मिलियन हिट्स ऑन यूट्यूब। वायरल हो चुका है ये गाना, सभी लोग एवरीवनस लाइक सलमान खान ने गाया गाना, सलमान खान ने गाया, यूफोरिया अराउंड यू इज क्रेजी।
मतलब इतनी ताज्जुब की बात है, हाँ ये
नहीं,
किसी को मेरे टैलेंट पे अभी तक कोई यकीन ही नहीं है। और जिसको यकीन है वो यकीन मैं तोड़ दूंगा आज, क्योंकि ये सब बेवकूफ लोग मेरी टीम के मुझे आज रात को इस मंच पर गवा रहे हैं और एक्सपोज कर रहे हैं मुझे। इन्होंने मुझे रात फतेह अली खान समझ लिया, रात ही नहीं दे रहे मुझे कुछ। कमाल लोग। लेकिन मैं आपको पहले से एडवांस ये छापने अपने की जरूरत नहीं भाई, ये +1 पे ही गाऊंगा, समझे?
सलमान थोड़ा बताइए हुआ कैसे?
हाँ। What do you think they're fools or what? They'll not know that I'm singing on +1. हाँ? या तो एडलिब गा लूं, लेकिन वो सुर में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है यार वो। और यहाँ पे तो मेलोडाइन है नहीं, ना ऑटो ट्यून है, ना रिवर्ब, ज्यादा से ज्यादा रिवर्ब डाल दे। और लाइन में गा नहीं सकते, यहाँ पे अमल मलिक नहीं है, ना ही हिमेश रेशमिया है जो एक लाइन गाता है फिर मैं उसके बाद गाता हूँ, 15 बार गाना पड़ता है। थोड़ी हमने इनकी तरह टाइम वेस्ट किया है, सारे पता नहीं कहाँ इतने सालों से सारे गामा ही लगे पड़े। रियाज भाई रियाज कर रहे हैं, हमें रियाज भाई का कोई शौक नहीं है।
जैसे आपने कहा वो प्रैक्टिस होता है, मेरे को भी ऐसे बोला था कि यही सवाल पूछना, इससे ज्यादा एक पूछा तो निकाल देंगे। तो मैं आपको यही सवाल पूछूंगा सर, ये गाना हुआ कैसे?
सर क्या है कि आजकल सिंगर्स की जो सुभाष जी, आप मुझे एक बात बताइए, आप इस इंडस्ट्री में मुझसे पहले हैं, आपने इतना हिट म्यूजिक दिया है, तो एक सिंगर आता है, उसको एक गाना मिलता है और फिर वो सिंगर किसी और ही लेवल पे चला जाता है और फिर उसके दिमाग खराब हो जाते हैं। करेक्ट बात है? वो उसको ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे बाद कोई आएगा नहीं, और फिर वो जब चला जाता है, वो जाना बड़ा सैड होता है। वो जाना इसलिए होता है कि उसके दिमाग खराब हो गए। तो जैसे कि हम वेरी रिप्लेसेबल हैं, इनको ऐसा लगता है कि ये इररिप्लेसेबल है, हालांकि हम सब बड़े ही रिप्लेसेबल है। अब सो दैट दे डोंट गो थ्रू दिस बैड फेज, दैट इज द रीजन। और कि दिमाग ना खराब हो, दैट इज द रीजन। मैंने इन पे एक ऐसा किया कि ये सलमान खान, जैसे योर रिएक्शन कि अगर सलमान खान गा सकता है तो कोई भी गा सकता है, दैट इज इट। आजकल के इतने नए नए बच्चे आ रहे हैं इन ऑल दीज टीवी प्रोग्राम्स, दे सिंग हिज सॉन्ग्स आल्सो बेटर देन हिम। करेक्ट बात है कि नहीं? सो देयर इज सो मच ऑफ टैलेंट एंड ओनली दोज मेनी फ्यू फिल्म्स आर मेड। हर फिल्म के 3 4 5 6 गाने हैं, किसी को चांस मिल जाता है, किसी को नहीं मिलता है। तो जो चांस का जो रिस्पेक्ट है वो कायम रहना चाहिए।
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा।
So that is the reason why.
पर ये सिंगर के साथ नहीं, एक्टर के साथ भी ऐसा होना
जी हाँ सर, मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ है सर।
आपने मेंटेन किया है।
हाँ सर, मैं भी गया हूँ नीचे, संभल के आया हूँ, फिर वापस ये पागल हो गया हूँ, फिर वापस से गया हूँ, फिर वापस वो 3 4 बार डुबकी मैंने भी मारी है सर।
थैंक यू सलमान। आपका इस पूरे म्यूजिक एल्बम में कंट्रीब्यूशन बेसिकली कितना रहा है?
सर कंट्रीब्यूशन तो इन्हीं का रहा है सर, निखिल अडवाणी साहब का। एंड डायरेक्टर हैं तो द फाइनल चॉइस ऑफ सॉन्ग्स वर हिज। तो हर गाने के, हर सिचुएशन के 3 3 4 4 5 5 गाने थे, एंड ही selected the best from that. And
Also, sorry.
Obviously, the music has picked up and has become a big hit. And I think कहीं ना कहीं हमसे ये चूक हो गई है कि हमको ये म्यूज़िक करीबन 4 महीने पहले रिलीज़ कर लेना चाहिए था, that as producers we have messed up on that, because इससे फ़ायदा फिल्म को, so director और producer को नहीं मिलेगा, but the music is going to do well. You know, the hero heroine are going to benefit from the music. It's going to be played on television, radio वगैरह, so they're going to be called musical stars or action hero, जो भी है उनकी destiny इस Friday के बाद. और सबसे ज़्यादा फ़ायदा होगा इस आदमी को यहाँ पर, नन्नू. बहुत अच्छा है सर. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि वी डू म्यूजिक ना, म्यूजिक का पब्लिसिटी, एंड देन आवर म्यूजिक बेनिफिट्स फ्रॉम दैट. इन्होंने गेम चेंज कर दिया है कि the music comes in, benefits his music, the film comes in and benefits his music. तभी क्या लाइफ स्पैन क्या है फिल्म की, अगर चली गई जैसे कि बजरंगी भाईजान did what 50 days, it's going out now, so that's बड़ी से बड़ी पिक्चर इतना ही बिजनेस करेगी. So I think that we need that slightly more time for music, especially in a love story. हमारी पिक्चरों के अंदर ठीक है, for all the 5-6 songs to become hits, we need that much of time. But इन्होंने इस short time के अंदर इन्होंने बहुत ही concentrate किया है इस music के ऊपर, and he is very happy with the music, and बस इसको promote किए जाओ इस music को.
Absolutely, sir.
Because their whole life depends on the music and on this film, Atiya and Suraj's. So we're giving it our best. He's giving it his best. Bhushan. Subhashji has given us his best film hero. Nikhil has done his best work so far, I feel. And as producers, we've tried to leave no stone unturned. And a huge contribution from Hiral as well.
Salman, आपने edits भी देखे हैं इस film के, and you were there when the film was being edited. You've seen the film. Have they lived up to your expectations, Atiya and Suraj? आपको लगता है?
They have lived up to my expectations even before I signed them. The fact that I signed them, that means they had impressed me, and we were on. So that, and then there was not one single day's reshoot that we did on this movie. If we had to reshoot something, is because as producers, as directors and writers, we were not satisfied with our work. So when you saw the whole film in totality, say एक scene यहाँ पे missing है, एक यहाँ पे close up missing है, that was the only thing that we shot. 3 or 4 days of that.
Thank you very much. Well, right now I'd also like to take this point to invite on stage the director of this film, Mr. Nikhil Advani. Can we please have a big round of applause?
He's got his own mic.
Nikhil, my first question to you is, shooting this film, working with Salman, working with the whole crew and the whole team, Suraj and Atiya especially, वो experience कैसा रहा? The first timers, and जब पहली बार उन्होंने मेरे radio station में आके मेरे साथ interview किया था, they said, we were a little scared of Nikhil sir because we used to get a lot of scoldings, between our things that we used to do. So how was that? क्या ये बात सच थी कि उनको थोड़ा सा उनकी क्लास ली जाती थी थोड़ी?
मैं तो सबकी क्लास लेता हूँ. It's not only because of Suraj and Atiya, because but they had to work double. I think क्योंकि they have the responsibility of living up to although Salman is saying that they had already lived up to the expectation because before he signed them on, but I think that from their point of view they wanted to work very hard to satisfy him. From the only brief I had got from him was give them the platform and give them the launch that he got. जो जिस तरह से मुझे लॉन्च किया, जिस तरह से मुझे प्लेटफॉर्म दिया गया था उनको, just I want you to give everything to them, and that is something that I should drill into their heads every day, that when Salman watches the film, that's the only thing that matters for me, and when he watches the film he should say, okay, you guys look as if this is not your first film. So that's the only thing.
Well said. And your favorite song from the entire album? I know it's like The Baby, but एक गाना जो आपको लगा, that touched you completely.
No, so every time we recorded a song, it used to become my favorite song. Every time we did one song, I would say this is my favorite song, then we should record another song and then it would become another song. And then Salman would call me up and say that, I've heard this song and maybe you should hear this song. And but I would say, Salman, we already have a situation for this, a song for this situation. He said, hey, ye bhi sun le, you know, to ye bhi sun le. So like he said, we used to have 4 or 5 options for each situation. For me, I mean, I know Salman is standing here, but my favorite song is Raj Saab song, which is the Yada Teri, which for me is a big honor that he agreed to do this song for us in this film.
A big round of applause for Rahat Saab, please.
For me, it is O Khuda.
A lot. Palak. Well, now I take this moment to invite on stage the man who gave us great films. Great films like Karz, you've got Ram Lakhan, Pardesh, Tal, and of course, Hero. The man who said the show must go on. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Subhash Ghai.
I'm so delighted to be here to see Salman as a producer, Nikhil taking the responsibility of making a film which has been already made 30 years back. It's not a joke.
सर और मत डराओ सर हम लोगों को
So,
ऐसी पड़ी पड़ी हमारी
no. But I'm sure I can tell you, when you will watch the film, you will come to know that they have done much better job. The reason is not that it was a bad job. The reason is the contemporary cinema, the contemporary people, and they have lot of energy, lot of expression of today's expression is there. देखिए अब इनका जो म्यूजिक है आज ही हिट हो गया, बहुत बड़ा हिट हो गया. मुझे याद है कि जब मैंने हीरो बनाई थी और जब हीरो रिलीज की थी तो उसका म्यूजिक हिट ही नहीं था. उसका म्यूजिक, हीरो का म्यूजिक 4 हफ्ते के बाद हिट हुआ था और पहले 2 हफ्ते तो हीरो को लोगों ने कहा कि ये फिल्म नहीं चलेगी और नहीं चली, कलेक्शन भी अच्छा नहीं थे. फिर तीसरे वीक, चौथे वीक फिल्म ने चलना शुरू किया और फिर म्यूजिक ने पकड़ना शुरू किया और वो फिल्म फिर 75 वीक तक चली.
सर आई होप ये भी सर 75 वीक तक चल जाए.
75 डेज तो चलनी चाहिए स्पीड के हिसाब से. एंड आई रियली
75 डेज चल जाए सर.
sir. Or no, every department I can see in this production, Salman's productions, whether it's a marketing, whether it's a music, whether it's a technology, whether it's a director, actors, both are so beautiful. You see, हमारे actors ने Suraj and Athiya have done wonderful job, I would say, and music, marketing, everything is fantastic. And I really wish them the double hit of the previous hero, whatever we made, triple hit. God bless you. Wonderful. Let's have a big hand for the hero.
Let's have a big hand for the 3 gentlemen
Thank you,
here.
Subhash.
Ladies and gentlemen.
आप गाना नहीं सुनाएंगे?
सर अभी नहीं सर, बाद में सर. सर हमारी एंट्री लास्ट होगी सर.
please have the mics? Okay, just to tell all of y'all, Suraj and I had our first time, as in radio interview. पहला radio interview हमारा first. थोड़ा तो credit मिलता है, थोड़ी तो तालियां मेरे लिए भी बनती है, please. Well, great, looks great. Also, this is, मैं हमेशा आपको कहता हूँ ना, आपका एक shot है जहाँ पर आप ऐसे खड़े रहते हो. आपके बैक में जितने मसल्स हैं ना उतने पूरे बॉडी में कम है. इसमें भी कम है. Well, I think they deserve a bigger round of applause. You know, it's great to have both of you here, and I think it's that moment where we call Mr. Khan to come and perform for us.
Salman sir.
We're going to have Mr. Salman Khan perform for us, sir. अरे सीटियां बजनी चाहिए, तालियां बजनी चाहिए, ये क्या है?
15-20 तो हमारे लोग हैं, उसके बाद प्रेस वाले हैं, कैमरा पकड़ेंगे या सीटियां बजाएंगे. अबे ये क्या है? ये तो मरवा ही देंगे मेरे को. They forgotten I'm going to be 50. You give me yours. I can't read this shit.
Whoa!
एक ट्रायल राउंड मिलेगा. गंदे गाने पे भी ताली पड़ेगी कि खत्म हो गया. I'll mess it up. I can't do this seriously. I have to sing now. रुक जा यार सोहेल, तेरे को मैं तेरी आवाज से पहचानता हूँ. सोहेल ही था ना वो? हाँ. ओहो, आंखों के पन्नों पे मैंने लिखा था 100 दफा जो इश्क था पूर्ण होठों से बयां, तुझसे नाराज हूँ क्यों बेआवाज हूँ, मेरी खामोशियाँ है सजा, दिल ही सोचता फिर भी नहीं पता किस हक से कहूँ बता कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा, कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा.
Come on, we need some love for Salman!
Wait, रुको. Hey, Amal, Arman. This is something that I've done which was really unfair by singing this song. This song actually belonged to Arman Malik. I need an apology. I need to apologize to you that I've done this, but it was for the betterment of the film. We need something to, yeah. No. Because before that you sang 3 songs, they didn't work. Now come,
thank you.
bros, come and help me with this
song, though.
Come and help me with this. 3 voices are better than 1. Background में रखना इसको.
Could we have another mic, please?
Ready?
Check.
अरे मेरा टेस्ट चल रहा है भाई. Ready, sir?
आने वाले तोड़फोड़ परफॉर्मेंस के लिए बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. कम ऑन. इतना पैसा में इतना ही मिलेगा. All right, I now take this opportunity to call on stage the director, Mr. Nikhil Advani. Sir, could I please have you on stage? Let's have questions pertaining to the film and the music, please.
Hi, Salman, Alok here from OFM.
हाँ बोलो आलोक.
सर सवाल ये है कि हीरो फिल्म है और हीरो फिल्म का जब भी जिक्र होता है तो एक पर्टिकुलर धुन याद आती है. आपके राइट में कॉर्नर पे हूँ. एनीवेज आप सुन पा रहे हैं तो अच्छा है. तो हाँ, तो वो पर्टिकुलर जो धुन थी, हीरो थीम थी, बांसुरी पे बजाई गई थी, कभी उसके बारे में सोचे आप कि वो भी रखना चाहिए या कुछ ऐसा?
सर अगर आपने इसके पहले हीरोपंती देखी होगी तो वो ट्यून उस पिक्चर में चली गई. आई थिंक द म्यूजिक वाज विद सारेगामा. सो साजिद टुक दैट ट्यून फॉर दैट फिल्म. तो उसको वापस से नहीं ले सकते क्योंकि हीरोपंती अभी हाल ही में रिलीज हुई है. लेकिन यू हर्ड द म्यूजिक टुडे. सुभाष जी हिमसेल्फ विल एग्री दैट
You don't miss it. Music is really beautiful. You don't miss. You see, I would say कि rather had they used that music, would have been not a good factor in the film. They have not used the music, same music. That is the best part of it, and still it is a hit, and still it's a beautiful.
सलमान एक
Thank you,
और सवाल है कि हीरो के साथ लिखा हुआ है रेबल्स, लव एंड फ्रीडम. इन तीनों वर्ड्स में कितना यकीन रखते हैं, इत्तेफाक रखते हैं इन वर्ड्स से?
सर ये सवाल तो आप डायरेक्टर साहब से ही पूछो सर. वो तो मैंने पहली बार नोटिस किया, रेबल्स, लव एंड फ्रीडम.
और सलमान जो है वो तीनों में से कुछ भी नहीं है.
मेरा कंट्रीब्यूशन हीरो तक के था. लव में है, फ्रीडम में है, रेबल्स में भी है थोड़ा. चांदी की डाल पर सोने का मोर ताक झाक ताक कर नीचे का चोर. गेहूं था ये नहीं सुना था.
निखिल जी
नहीं सर, क्या होता है ना कि lot of singers are not getting a chance because they're जैसे now for this film अभी where's Amal's song, they wanted some established singer to sing. So I said why? He's composed the song, he sings the song really well. If Himesh can sing, if Vajit can sing, then why can't Amal sing? When his own uncle sings, and uncle's voice is so really good. Different voice. So why can't Amal sing? And I also thought financially it is not fair because he's composing, Arman is singing, Arman is doing shows, Arman is chapoing, and this guy is only sitting on the console and making music. तो या तो फिर भाई को दे दो 50%. वो नहीं होता तो फिर भाई भी गाएगा. तो एक फैमिली की यूनिटी के लिए कि पैसों में झगड़ा नहीं हो, कि उनकी फैमिली का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड अच्छा है. So for that, Amal sang. So he got a chance. Like Palak, for example. She's been singing since the age of 4, 5. And do you know what she does? With her money, about a week ago, she has done 800 surgeries, pediatric heart surgeries. So this is what, what being human is. I mean, and she's done it on her own without having a foundation. She just started a foundation. So on her own, she used to make money and she used to put that money towards kids with heart conditions. So when I got to know that, she's a damn good singer. So I just thought that if she's doing such a great job, I mean, there are lots of singers who are coming in. Why not give her a song as well? So then she sang for Ekta Tiger. Now she's chapoing. But the money is going to a great cause. So every film I make sure that, there's something or the other of Palak. Not because of this thing, what she's doing, because she has got an incredible voice and she takes it very seriously and it doesn't go to her head. Now also the reason for singing is that he sings and this song becomes a big hit. People have confidence in giving newcomers songs to sing. It all depends on the tune. It doesn't depend on the singer. An idiot like me just sang a song, yeah? He's got 12 million hits. I don't know sur from any angle, yeah? I don't know beat. He's Gaya. Are kahan aata yaar ye? So most of the songs I've sung without even the music. They've done the tempo for me. He sing it and I used to repeat it. Wajid used to sing it and I used to repeat it. Himesh used to sing it and I used to repeat it. So all the songs that I've done with them has been done like this because I'm not a musician. I don't know. I've not studied any music. Which I will do now since I'm singing. I'll have to do that. कि सवाल क्या था यार? हाँ, Hiral, do you remember the question? हाँ? क्यों गाया? इसीलिए.
निखिल जी, आपने मुझे कहा था कि इस फिल्म में कल हो ना हो का रोमांस ही नहीं,
हाँ।
डी डे जैसा रोमांच भी है.
अच्छा.
तो आपको क्या लगता है कि इसमें क्या चीज ज्यादा है? क्योंकि फिल्म का जो ट्रेलर है वो देखकर तो लगता है कि ज्यादा
नहीं, मैं सिर्फ ये कहूँगा कि जब सलमान ने मुझे फ़ोन किया था ये पिक्चर करने के लिए, द फर्स्ट थिंग ही सेड कि यार डी डे जैसी रियलिस्टिक पिक्चर मत बना प्लीज़. I want it bigger than life. I want it larger than life. I want scale. I want it to be in a huge kind of way to promote, to give these two a platform. But ये जिसे आपने लिखा यहाँ पे लिखा है Rebels Love Freedom. The film is about love. एक love story है. इन दोनों की love story है. सूरज और राधा की love story है. सुभाष जी की story है. और इवेंचुअली कल होना हो डी डे मैं नहीं जानता हूँ, बट इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक लव स्टोरी जो आपको दिखाई देगा. सुपर म्यूज़िक है फिल्म में, जो सब लोग ने काम किया है, बहुत मेहनत की है म्यूज़िक के लिए इस फिल्म में. और बट आप पूछोगे द एक्शन इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी 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 इंटेग्रल टू द फिल्म. बहुत मेहनत की हम लोग ने एक्शन में भी मेहनत की. आज म्यूज़िकल नाइट है तो हम लोग म्यूज़िक के बारे में बात करेंगे, बट द एक्शन इज़ ऑल्सो फैंटास्टिक इन द फिल्म.
Very soon we're going to have an action night as well.
Hi Salman, on your right.
Yes.
Yeah. Hi. Salman, you were just saying that you took the song and you sang it so that you can promote the movie. But do you think, would you agree that you need an established face to promote the newcomers? Be it as a singer or as a cameo?
He will answer this one. अच्छा खुद का माइक है आपके पास. क्या पूछ रही हैं? कि you need a face to established face to promote singers.
You need T-series to promote singers.
No, but I mean, how is an established face going to promote? Oh, you're talking about Suraj and Suraj Prajatia at that time was not an established face. He produced Salman Khan in the film industry. So it is all about the film. It's all about the music, the film, and the audiences coming into the movie and liking the movie that makes your star.
Today, established actors, the audience go more towards the film.
It could also work the other way around कि सलमान खान ने प्रोड्यूस की है, सलमान खान पिक्चर में नहीं है, so that also could work against us. If somebody else would have done this, like a Karan Johar or Adi Chopra or somebody else would have launched them, they would have gone to see the film for the new boy and girl. But I am here, promoting, which is also a big scare. So it should be K. Salman Khan's production. We want to see Salman Khan's movie, as well as because he made a really good film last time, Bajrangi Bhaijaan. After this is his second film that he's producing, and he's launching 2 new kids. So that intrigue level has got to be there, and that intrigue level only comes from the from the promos, from the music and from the promos, that you get to know that यार ये promo मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, we should go and see this film. कभी-कभी ऐसा promo होता है कि दिख जाता है कि picture में के best shots ना यहीं पे promo में है, so you don't feel like going to see the movie. Right now, from the reaction that we're getting on Hero, everyone is loving it. I mean, most of you have come to me for interviews, and the first thing I've asked you, okay, what is your feel? And everyone says that we get a really good feel about this movie. And so do the fans. I mean, on promo level, trailer level, Athiya and Suraj have already been accepted by the fans.
Hi, Suraj.
सलमान रितेश फ्रॉम ईटीवी. मेरा सवाल आपसे है, आपकी नजर में हीरो का मतलब क्या होता है? हीरो
आप भी हो, पीछे खड़े हो आप.
आपका मतलब हीरो का क्या होता है? हीरो का क्या मतलब आपके लिए?
सर हीरो एक फ्रैक्शन ऑफ अ सेकंड के अंदर राइट डिसीजन लेकर खड़ा हो जाने वाला वो हीरो है सर.
Hi, Suraj.
नहीं समझ आया.
My question is to you and Athiya. Which is your favorite song from the album and why? Yours and Athiya's.
Hello. एक ही mic चल रहा है. ये लो. Hello.
Can we have some gain on the mics, please? Yeah, thank you.
I have 2 favorite songs of mine. One is definitely मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा, and the second one is O Khuda. So I love these 2 songs.
Athiya?
बाजू में कौन बैठा है वो भी देख लो भाई.
No, because these 2 songs.
देख के चलो रास्ते में, लेफ्ट देखो राइट देखो, लेफ्ट देखो राइट देखो, फिर क्रॉस करो रास्ता.
Because these 2 songs were the first songs that I heard.
Athiya, your
Mine would be definitely मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा and यार तेरी याद, because it was really close to my heart because why are you laughing? Because it was really close to my heart while shooting for the song, and yeah, I really enjoyed the process of shooting for the song, so that's why.
Thank you.
Hi Salman here. Nilesh from Think Market Magazine. What was your biggest challenge as a producer?
कार्ड दिखाओ पहले.
आपका biggest challenge बताइए as a producer for this film.
Hello.
What was the biggest challenge for you?
The biggest challenge for me in this movie was not to care about the budget, because we caring about the budget little either udhar could just make this film into a disastrous film. So the kind of budgets that I work on, we've done the same budget for Athiya and for Suraj.
Hi, Salman.
Because their journey starts from this film onwards. So we didn't want to leave any stone unturned. So from the music to selection of the director, from him spending, days and nights with these 2, and they going through all their training and stuff like that, all dancing, action, all that stuff. So I was working in Bajrangi, but my concentration was more here than Bajrangi, because I've seen my life journey. Now from here, what? As a hero, how many years? 35, 40 years, I'll do well. But हाँ इतना कम है क्या? तो their career starts now. ऐसा नहीं that finger should point at me कि आपने तो यार मरवा ही दिया हम लोगों को.
Hi, Salman, यहाँ आपने कहा जो एक फ्रैक्शन में डिसीजन ले वो सही हीरो है. सलमान कितने बड़े हीरो है उनके हिसाब से?
वो क्राइसिस में मैं आजकल भाग जाता हूँ.
you know, whenever you have collaborated with two of the biggest Khans of the industry, Shah Rukh and Salman, you have given blockbuster hits. And both of these Khans have great sense of music. So could you tell us how was it working with both of them and what kind of musical sensibilities do these two Khans have?
मैंने रियलिटी पे बात करूँगा कि मैंने सलमान भाई का गाना अभी सुना है, तो शाहरुख खान साहब का सुनूंगा तो मेरे लिए अभी
अरे चांस ही नहीं है, ये तो लूजिंग बैटल है, ये तो सुनो ही नहीं, मैं सुना हूं,
अभी तक
मैं सुना हूं, वो खुद मेरा हाथ उठा देगा।
तो फिर जवाब सलमान भाई ने दे दिया
आमिर भी दोनों ऐसे।
तो म्यूजिक सेंस की बात आप कर रहे थे, तो सलमान भाई तो खुद गा सकते हैं। Is that true? आपने मुझे दुबई में डांस करवाया था। इन्होंने क्या किया, दुबई में मुझे एक शो था, वहाँ पे इन्होंने कहा कि हमने इकट्ठे गाना गाना है सलमान भाई ने, और उसके बाद मुझे डांस करवाने लग गए। तो मेरे लिए वो चीज़ हो ही नहीं पा रही थी। आज मैं देख के मेरा दिल को बड़ा ठंडक पहुंची कि आपको पता लग रहा है कि जो मेरे साथ हो रहा था।
Nikhil, hi, Farid. Nikhil, on your left.
We'll have the last two questions.
Yeah, Faridun from Bollywood Hangama.
अरे सर मेरे तो हाथ पैर कांप रहे थे।
Hi Faridun.
Yeah, hi. I believe Karan Johar has seen the movie and he has really liked Hero, and he's tweeted about that as well. But apparently Mr. Khan hasn't seen the movie yet. So when are you showing the movie to?
यार तुम ऑफ वाले तुम यहाँ पे बता रहे हो? ऑफ रिकॉर्ड बोला था ना मैं तुमको ये? हाँ? मैं नहीं बोला था तुमको। Hangama.com?
On record बोला था।
Yeah, so Salman has seen the cut of the film. He hasn't seen the copy which he's going to see day after tomorrow. So this I'll call you as soon as he finishes watching it.
I've seen the whole film.
I have your number, Faridun. You keep WhatsApping me. So many million people have watched your interview. So
what's your reaction to Mr. Karan Johar's?
अगर उसको बोलो कि ट्वीट थोड़ा सिंपल कर दे, हिंदी में कर दे।
Okay. So what is your reaction to Karan Johar's tweet about your?
Well, I spoke to him and he had very good things to say about the film. He saw it last night and he couldn't believe the performance given by Suraj and Athiya. He thought that the exact words what he said, it's a breezer, and I just love the fact that both of them have done such a great job. It doesn't look as if it's their first film.
And he also could not believe the work that Nikhil Advani has done in it.
That also.
So, according to reports, it's been said that you have been a part of the editing of 30 minutes of the film, and especially the kissing scene also. So
There was no kissing scene in the film. We wanted to put one, but they refused.
But then there are reports that you were the
okay.
one who...
Why haven't you done it? Why haven't you done it? I've never done a kissing scene. So how can I ask them to do it? And I don't think he's also interested. I don't think they're also interested. I don't think anyone's interested. I don't even think you're interested. You're just asking me that question.
So what was the reason that you deleted
Why would you want to see somebody else kiss? You should kiss yourself.
But why did you delete the 30 minutes of the film?
Yes, that is true. That is true. See, we used Subhash Ji's epic as a storyboard. बोलते ना कि यार वो थोड़ी सी 20 मिनट कम होनी चाहिए थी, तो हमने वो 20 मिनट निकाल दिए. For the betterment of your watching.
We'll have one last question here.
Yeah, last question here. My question is to Suraj and Athiya. I'm Hardik here from Zoom. Hi Suraj here. On your right. Left, sorry. So, who is your real life hero whom you admire the most apart Salman Khan and your parents?
Sorry. Say it again once.
Who is your real life hero whom you admire the most apart Salman Khan and your parents? Same
Athiya,
question goes to Athiya too.
Athiya Shetty.
Suraj Pancholi, he's my hero.
सब correct answer दे रहे हैं. What you gave me, I'm going to give it back to you too. Wait. I think it's no, I think abhi ye sub faces are getting, yeah. Like the next boy that we are going to launch, he's not a star kid, but he has the potential. And it is not because they're star kids. It's because he's Suraj and she's Athiya, and they're damn good at what they do. That is the reason. They just happen to be born in this industry. Like I happen to be born in this industry. I'm a writer's son. So he's a star. He was a star writer, but he was not a star. Ajay Devgan was a fight master's son, who was a fighter. He became a star. There are lots of star sons who've not done well. So it's complicated. Your destiny ka, you don't have any hold or grasp on destiny. You don't know what's going to happen in the next 5 minutes. So abhi 4 din baki hai release ke liye.
All right, this will be the final one. I think this is the final question. All right, guys.
Why not?
It was good because he never made me feel that he was my father on set. And it was an amazing experience working with him. I've seen his films before, but I realized how good of an actor he was when I actually worked with him. Because when you're in the same house, you're not really interested in what your parents are doing. I think it's in in every house. But when I worked with him, I'm so surprised by seeing my father being such a good and amazing performer. Yes.
सर आए दिन खबरें आती है कि आप बिग बॉस नहीं कर रहे हो, सडनली डू एंड स्पेशल एंट्री, तो कैन वी से दैट कि चैनल कैन नॉट अफोर्ड लूजिंग यू, कि वही चाहते हैं कि आप भी करें बिग बॉस सीजन? कोई
नहीं, you know, last season Farah did. Farah's TRP after me was Farah's TRP was higher than mine.
I think I hope that has answered your question, and thank you very much. That's about it. Can we please have the photo ops, please? Thank you very much.